Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to see saved credit cards on iPhone in 2025. If you've ever wondered where your digital wallet hides all those payment methods, you're in the right place. With Apple's latest updates, managing your finances on your iPhone has gotten even smarter and more secure. This quick guide will walk you through the steps in under 2 minutes, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for 2025. It's called iOS 19, and it brings enhanced privacy features to protect your financial data. To get started, unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now, head to the home screen and locate the Settings app. It's that gear icon you probably use all the time. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. This is your central hub for all things payments. If you have saved credit cards, they'll appear here, but let's go deeper. Tap on Saved Cards, or Payment Methods. Apple might have tweaked the exact wording by 2025, but look for something similar. You'll see a list of your added cards, complete with details like the card number, masked for security, expiration date, and even usage history if you've enabled it. Pro tip: if you don't see your cards, double-check your privacy settings. Go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, and ensure that Wallet Access is turned on. Also, if you're using third-party apps like banking apps, they might integrate directly. Just open the app and look for the Cards section. One cool new feature in 2025 is the Quick View option. Simply long press on the Wallet app from your home screen, and it might show a preview of your cards without fully opening the app. This is perfect for on-the-go checks. Remember, always keep your device updated and use strong security measures to protect your info. There you have it. Seeing your saved credit cards on your iPhone is straightforward and secure. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.